Hello guys and welcome to our first destination at Capital University's Museum of Three Cultures. Come and join us with our adventures. This painting behind me is Jonamar A. Mendoza, made in 1965 as medium, was made in oil and canvas. It depicts the Muslim culture of Mindanao and was then donated to Capital University's museum. This art form is social political commentary as it reflects social and cultural. This art form depicts the social political commentary as it reflects the social and political and its culture. Hello guys, we are now at the second museum at City Museum in Cagayan de Oro City.
This painting, Gestalt, made by Marigold Cherry, titled Gestalt, was made on 2017. The medium is acrylic on canvas. This shows a expressive function, which is the person is breaking through darkness, offering a flower, and with a smile. It symbolizes growth, hope, and new beginnings.
This art is titled Cloud City by Sol Azaraga, made in acrylic paint and plaster at 2022. This art represents as aesthetic function which is created to be appreciated by texture. This painting shows Dane Roth white paints as clouds, as a seemingly grayish form of old city far backgrounds.
Hello guys, we are here at Xavier University's Museo de Oro.
This painting was titled Salud that depicts a historical event in Cagayan de Oro involving a political rebellion in 1651, led by a woman named Salu or Salud against the Spanish regime. It shows the capture of Salud's followers by the Spanish with the involvement of first Father Nicolas de la Vega. This was painted by Penitentiary Society in 1996. Its medium is mostly oil canvas. Its function is historical documentation. The painting serves to document and visualize a significant local historical event, preserving the memory of Salud's rebellion and its impact on the region.
The painting is titled The New Village of Cagayan, created by Penicencio Nonoy Starte in 2012. The medium used here is acrylic on canvas. The artwork shows the fortified village built by Dato Salangsang and the early Christian missionaries after relocating from Himologan in 1624 due to threats from Sultan Kudarat. It visually documents the birth of what is now Cagayan de Oro City. Its primary functions as art are cultural and historical. It preserves the identity, traditions, and resilience of the Cagayanan people while also educating viewers about a key event in local history.